예쁘네 오늘도 어제만큼 아니 오늘은 더 예뻐졌네 이런 말을 할 때마다 너는 못 들은 척 늘 딴 얘기를 해
Never forget.
지금 말해주긴 간지러워서 말하기 싫어 그리고 이런 건 말하면 안 된대
It's been a minute, guys.
다신 꾸지 못하는 너무 기분 좋은 꿈 나는 네가 꼭
So guys, I'm actually just driving myself to uni right now. I've got one workshop, so yeah, let's hope it goes by quickly.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks on racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm
Finally
flexing.
arrived at uni. Let's go. Level 6, found parking. But I seriously don't know what it is about Tuesdays at Monash, Caulfield, but like you cannot find parking if you come at like 11:30. I feel like all the classes are on at this time and like the car park just can't take it. And I know they say, oh, let's take public transport instead, but like stuff your public transport. I want to drive to campus. So I'm just going onto the app right now and paying for parking because I don't want to get a parking ticket. And then after that, I'm gonna head to class, have a economics workshop for I think microeconomics, and so 2-hour workshop. You know, it's week 11. It's about to finish, so I don't think a lot of people are gonna be there. There's this Mercedes driver just like stares at me for talking to myself. But I'm vlogging, mate. I'm vlogging.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see when I could.
And your boy forgot to vlog like anything at uni. So I'll catch you guys at the Touge. We're gonna hit up Mount Dandy and see what we get up to. Girl, you make me pull the trigger. Where are we, bro? We just found like a 1980s style freaking shopping center in the middle of nowhere, bro. What the hell, bro? It's like, it doesn't feel like Australia anymore, man. What the hell is this, bro? It's like ancient, bro. Actually, it's hello, bro. I need to talk, bro. Oh. Alright, guys, so we're heading to Mount Dandy. We're at Infantry Gully. I've already got the squad. We got my boy Salah. We got Simba over there. Got my boy Lloyd Chan and Sue over there. Got Can, and we got Vong and Nikki in the car next door. Just grab some Chinese to eat, and we're going to 1,000 steps. Look at this dude. Oh shit. I'm struggling to pick up the camera. Look at this car, right?
Yeah, I'm
Mazda 3 gang.
driving, yeah.
Can't go that way, Sam. Is my door? Oh shit. Is that door? One of our doors isn't open, right? I ain't going to work. Need to get something. Oh, there we go. What is that in the back of getting crazy?
In 600 meters, turn left onto Bellevue track.
Yo, I don't know how well you guys can see us right now, but we've made it to bloody Mount Dandenong, to 1,000 steps, and brother, it is dark out here. We got the guys over there eating, bro. I don't know if you guys can see anything.
Oh my god.
Yo, I need some light, brother.
Yeah, there have been recent reports of suicide deaths.
yo. Hey, we're gonna die, bro.
We're gonna die, yeah, we're gonna die.
Ghost hunting. Hey, yo. Yo, look, hey guys, over there. Do you see that?
Oh shit!
Do you see that?
Oh shit!
It's the, bro, over there. You guys see what? You know what that is? It's the ghost of Money Puck. Hey, yo. I'm out of here, bro. What the hell, Joe? Successful, eh? That was a pretty successful. Hey, what a rave! Let's go, Midnight Mafia.
Oh bro, that was so dangerous. Imagine you went on it.
What the hell? Drive forward slowly. Oh, slowly. Oh, you're meant to go slowly, bro.
Why did I have that?
So people don't go fast.
Are you scared?
Oh, Joe, oh,
Dude, that was scary, bro.
Of course, we're in Mexico right now. Ooh, it's like. It was good, yeah. Bro, this guy was right on my ass the whole time, bro. And this guy, I saw you behind us and we lost Lloyd, bro. We lost Lloyd. Bro, I want to check our tires, bro. Our tires like hot, bro, because like, that was intense.
Oh, the brakes are on, yeah. My ABS is on now, bro.
Your ABS light?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't bring a thing.
ABS light.
ABS light. Is your car gonna make it, bro?
You'll make it.
Hey, at least not check engine light, eh? Lucky. Caught up to us, bro. How'd you get lost? It's a straight road, brother. Brother. Oh, okay. Maybe you should put the GPS in this time.
I didn't have GPS, that's why I was hauling ass. I was just trying to
Right. It's a straight road. We're in Mexico, by the way. Mexico.
Shut up.
Mexico. OSPREY.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, okay. Okay, bye.
Did we lose him again? Didn't he have a GPS?
Bro, so it's pitch dark out here. But hopefully it's worth the view.
China for them.
For the view. We've lost the mate. A clean as MX-5.
Did I
Nice.
share my location with Susanna?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope.
Not bad.
Not a bad shot tonight.
Yeah.
That
Hoodie on.
that beamer over there scared the crap out of us. Highway
That's
patrol.
why I flashed the light. I was like, hey, yo.
Yeah, but like I looked and I saw a rap here and I was like, okay, no way. Hey, we should wait for law and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, if we go in,
Walk a bit slow.
there's a huge ass problem right now. Yo, look at this view, boys. Holy. Hey, could you look forward for? We can't see where we're going. Rot, bro. Huge.
I can't see it.
Oh, hey, yo. Call up vodka. Oh, almost fell, bro. Enjoy it. Oh, hey.
Finally, I got a place to swim.
Whoa, hey, yo. I want to get demonetized, brother.
Oh, he found it.
So what? Where's that? Where? Oh, you guys already here? What the hell? We thought you guys died.
Turn up the light.
But look at the view here, bro.
Right, turn up the light.
Are you vlogging?
I am vlogging you. Hi, what's up? We can't see you, but what's up? This view is incredible. Just look at that. Bro, but why is it so goddamn windy, bro? Jeez.
You marry me?
Windy. Pro photographer right here. Getting that shot, bro. Hey, look at this guy, bro. Samsung user trying to
Oh, shut up.
pro photography. Hey, I should turn my light off for this guy's photography, bro.
I feel like if I jump, I'm gonna land like somewhere far.
Hey, paragliding from here, bro?
Well, I jump, yeah?
You wanna try, Lloyd? You should. I'm taking. Hey, yo, chill, bro. I don't think an ambulance could come up here, right? Wow. Hey, Vong, could an ambulance come up here?
Huh?
You're a paramedic. Could an ambulance come up here? If
You can be the first one. Helicopter.
oh, helicopter. True.
Helicopter, helicopter.
But I can't see the way, bro.
Why did he wear
We're all wearing white shoes because we're idiots,
I'm
bro.
wearing black, bro.
We're all idiots,
Look, you
bro.
stepped on my shoe.
Feet
It's so dirty
heat,
now.
feet check,
This is the
bro.
first time I'm wearing the shoe.
Bro, no man, Air Force One, huh? Air Force One, huh? No man. Yo. Yo. I was waiting for someone to start. Because there's no dogs around here. Oh, Joy, oh my god.
Oh shit! Hey,
Hey, Joy, yo, don't they bite, bro?
Nah, it's pretty dangerous, that one. The smaller the scorpion is, the more thing is.
Yo, it's coming towards you. Hey, nah. Yeah, nah, I don't want to get attacked, bro. No. Hey, are you running, boys? Boys, can you walk a little fast? Oh, Joy, oi. Can you turn the light bar off, bro? I can't see a thing, right? I'm blinded by the lights, brother.
Okay, we can. Oh, finally.
Hey, this guy. It's not carpool karaoke season yet. Is that Nikki over there? I thought it was someone else.
Oh, dude, every car's gone, bro.
Every car's gone. Where's the only guys here? You know what that means?
우린 too late 너와 나는 too late 이제 와서 처음으로 돌아가기엔